Hello everyone. So today is the another day of the tinted mirrors, and today I am just gonna show you some guidance about the tower upgradation. Okay, so here you can see that at present I am just getting all the resources, free resources to upgrade the tower, and you can see that I have already upgraded the resource tower to level 30, so that's why within 2 hours I am getting a quite good resource which helps me to upgrade the towers. So here are the towers which you need to upgrade. First of all, the source of Cersei. Second one is actually the thing is, if you don't upgrade these towers, you won't be able to get the AFK rewards because you are not playing the whole day. Definitely you are having your others time, you are doing other things. So here is the spirit of variety towers, which is mostly required to upgrade the damage. Here is the first uh, here is the first resource tower. This is the second, the source of dark purple, and here is the third one, source of aqua blue. So, and here is the source of shining gold, which needs to upgrade the towers to get the best benefits. And without upgrading all these towers, you are unable to go, or you are unable to have any kind of progress in Tinted Village chapters. Like you can see, I'm just stuck at present chapter 8, 8.15. So definitely I am just going to use all the upgradation to make it happen so that I can do the further progress. So you can see, so before I just start, or before I just say other things, I would like to say you that the spirit of variety towers is the most important thing. And at first what I did upgrade this tower to level 15 and 20. Then I just move on to the force of justice to make it the same level. This is the force of heart, which helps you to get the HP and crit resistance, and also force of fortitude, which helps you to get the defense and the crit resistance. So basically, damage, HP and defense all are required to get advantage and progress further in this tinted minute stage. And definitely you need Hayabusa is the hot hero, and as soon as you just try your luck to get the Haya to get benefit while you are facing the boss stage, because without Haya you are unable to start the stage, as Hayabusa is the hot hero in this tinted mirage event. So guys, as you know that this source of Cersei is and that the dark purple and the aqua blue, this combination of all these materials, you need to upgrade all the damage towers, defense towers and health tower. So as I have already told you that at first you need to upgrade uh, at first you just need to upgrade the main tower to level 20, then upgrade all the resource tower to level 20 as well, along with the damage tower, health tower and, come on, yeah, defense tower to same level. Like you can see that at present I am lacking some resource, so after the damage tower I have just upgraded health tower and defense tower. So here I would like to say one more thing, that you must prioritize this damage tower as your first upgradation, then the health tower as your second upgradation, and then the third tower, which is the defense tower, as your third upgradation. But don't forget to upgrade all your resource towers at max level, because when you are not playing the game, when you are doing other activity in the game, these resource towers will help you to gather all the resources while you are not playing tinted mirage, to get the further progress and get the further buffs, damage, HP, defense, crit resistance, all these buffs you need to make your team strong to progress further in the Tinted Mirage. Okay, so you have already seen that this is the free resource which helps me to get the lacked resource to upgrade my towers. So just I would like to share that just once I upgrade all the damage towers at max level, I am going to upgrade the main tower to level 35 or rather level 40 before I go for the upgradation for other level. Okay, so now just let us try our luck in the time space vortex. Okay, here is some extra buffs which helps you to get the extra resources or extra benefits while you are rolling the wheel. Here is the 2x rewards, then you can get the 3x rewards, even you will get this which is helping you to help extra ether which is the essential which is the one and only material to roll the wheel. So I definitely like this because sometimes I get normally I get the 20 or sometimes even I get the 30 ether to roll the wheel. So once again I would just like to say that a resource are most important in Tinted Mirage. So whenever you get some kind of okay, here is the Divinity Scrap which helps you to reselect the resource which you don't want. So I have selected this. Now let's try the luck. Definitely I'm gonna keep it. Okay, here is the 3x buff. Let us try our luck again. Okay, okay. Also you will get some extra shops, some shops at while you are completing the stages. I would suggest you must use all those shops to get the available resource in that shop, so that you will be benefited in the Tinted Mirage, and not only Tinted Mirage, you will also be benefited in your total games further progress. So as you can see I am able to upgrade it to level 30. So fine, I did it. Next I will just go for the health one, and after that I will go for the defense one. Yes, then I will just go for the Spirit of Variety tower and I will make it 35, and after making it 35 I am going to upgrade all my resource towers to level 35 unless I get Hayabusa copy to make it upgrade. So as you have seen, these are my suggestions at the moment to get the proper benefit in Tinted Mirage. At present I am just stuck at the stage 8.5. Today I will just complete it, and definitely I will just get back to you with the chapter 8 boss fight stages. Till then, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again.